December, we sold around 202 million point four mana for $880,000, and we funded all grants, total of 730,000 so far. And if we have any grants passing the coming 2 weeks, will be added to. So later I can create a short summary for the fourth quarter, which will be all October, November, December, and that can briefly mention expenses and income related to wearable names and any other source of income, plus total grant value for this quarter, and any mana exchange with amount converted to dollars for this quarter in one brief report. Maybe by end of December we can do it. And that's all for December so far, and happy coming holiday for all. And back to you.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Oh,
Yeah.
last three town halls were the same. I don't know what's happening, but yeah. So with that, thanks Gino or Fifi. I don't know who started the with the updates, but and thanks Risk for these updates. Well, this probably you already know this, but this is going to be our last town hall this year. So, yep. Let's go through our regular agenda. We already had the DAO committee updates. So now I'll pass it to Gino for the governance updates.
Thank you so much, Fez. So, can you all see my screen?
Yep.
Yes. All right, that's cool. Okay, let's go through the latest updates of the governance squad. Um, so, as you know, last month we released the first version of the DAO notifications, which was the in-app notifications. Now we are happy to present the Discord notifications, the second release of this feature. Basically, we built a way for Decentraland users to link their Discord accounts with the Decentraland wallet-based DAO accounts, and start receiving notifications via the bot that we built, the Governor Marvin. This is a super simple process that you can start on the profile page. You will see a little cog at the top, and you will be taken to the flow of verifying and connecting your Discord account with your wallet-based account. Don't worry, we're not like sharing any information or anything. You're just like signing a message saying that the Discord account is connected somehow with the wallet account, and we will start sending you notifications to your Discord client. It is pretty useful because you will be able to see when a proposal that you authored ended, proposals that you voted on, if you get a co-author request, or if a vesting contract of a grant or a bid project that you are the author got fulfilled. Um, we are super happy with this release. At least personally, I feel that it's super valuable, like to see right in context with a push notification that a proposal that you voted on or that you authored ended and what was the outcome. So please test it out, see if it's valuable for you, and let us know. You can always use our feedback board in Kani, and you can also suggest new notifications ideas there. So yeah, that's the big one. Then we released a couple of like smallish things. The first is this idea of a priority widget on the proposals page. It's basically a simple way to see important proposals that you might want to act on. It will display open governance proposals, tenders, and bidding submission and voting periods. The cool thing about this is that when you act, like when you vote on a proposal, or when you submit a bid, or when you vote on a tender or something like that, the proposal will disappear from the widget. And if you don't like it, you can just like hide it. It will remember your choice. We think especially for proposals that have like delayed voting periods, like the tenders and the bids and things like that, it is important to not lose the proposals in the list. And also for governance proposals, because we all want to see if a governance proposal is open and vote on those governance proposals. So that's why we bumped the visibility of those. This is nothing, it doesn't have any like weird shadow algorithm. We're not like doing rankings of that. It's super simple. Open governance proposals, tenders, and bids. And if you vote on something, it will disappear. That's it. So take a look. And again, if you have any feedback, please let us know. Another one, small enhancement, but we know that some of you suffered from this. When you have a pending project update on your grants, you know that grantees have to post monthly project updates on their grants, and sometimes it happens that you have a missed update because it got delayed. Here, for example, you see that below you have a missed update, but the new update slot is the new update slot is available when people clicked on the post update, like the big red post update button, uh, posted the current update, and the last update that was delayed, that was missed, remained like that, and it was confusing and weird for people. And we got the feedback from the grant support squad and from some grantees that this was confusing. So we did something like super simple. If you click on the red button and you have a previous update pending, you will get a confirmation model saying, hey, your last month project update is still pending. Are you sure that you want to post the current month or you want to post the previous update for your grant? Simple, useful, and pretty cheap solution for a problem. And finally, we implemented, after our community binding governance decision, the increase on the VP thresholds for certain types of proposals. Now, for approving points of interest, the voting will require 2 million VP, for Catalyst 2 million also, and for band names 4 million. This is as stated in the governance proposal, and I think it's a good decision. We have a lot of circulating VP in the community, way more than when those thresholds were defined. So it made sense to increase the VP thresholds for these kind of proposals. So yeah, we made the change based on the community decision. I think that's it from my side. If you have any questions or comments for the governance squad, you can always mention us on Discord, use Canny, send me a DM or wherever you want. And one thing more. Today, as you probably saw on the announcement channel, we've been doing some technical maintenance tasks, and one of the things that you will see, in accordance with the rest of the websites of the Decentral ecosystem, is that we changed the structure of our URLs. Instead of being governance.decentral.org/wherever, now we are using the same structure that the whole Decentral ecosystem started to use this week, which is decentral.org/governance/wherever it is. Of course, there's redirects in place, so nothing will break. If you access a URL and it's broken, please let us know on the support channel. But we tested this pretty thoroughly, and it works. It works just fine. So that's it from my side. Thank you, Fess. Thanks, folks.
Thanks, Gino. I have to say that I've been using the notification system and it's really good, really useful. So I invite you all to subscribe to that. Really good, really good. How you say? Enhancement to the platform and the integration between Discord, the forums, and the governance platform. So thanks a lot. So I think we can jump into Facilitation Squad updates. Fractilians wasn't able to attend, so I'm going to share her updates. And well, you'll know that it's been a busy couple of weeks. Fractilians hosted two Brick by Bricks, I believe, one with Dapcraft and the other one with Crossburst. And I believe there was another one with Nico Earnshaw last week, a couple of days ago, sorry, with recent updates in the builder and smart objects. Fractilians also hosted a Twitter space for the Decentraland Wellness Festival with Bay and Kim from the foundation. And we have another brick by brick lineup with Lustrum next Monday, where we'll be talking about SDK 6 to SDK 7, like the migration thing. The other thing I wanted to highlight is that, well, tomorrow we have the Marketing 101 workshop with Kim from Foundation, other members are all from Foundation, and also Fractilians from a DAO perspective. So I'm going to share the event here. A lot of people already subscribed to that, so if you're interested, please join. Uh, and the other thing that we wanted to share with you is that we're working on a community content creator program. We're going to conduct a pilot during the following weeks, and we'll make an announcement, let's say in a month or maybe more. But yeah, we're going to start testing this, and hopefully we'll have a consolidated program, community content creator program, by January or February. That's for strategic comms. I'm also going to drop the YouTube link here in case you missed any of those sessions, brick by brick, or the Twitter space. And now I'm going to share some operational updates. The first one, really important one actually, is that regarding moderation, is that I've been having some interviews with candidates from both from outside and inside this community. And well, basically I'm making a decision in the next few days. So I guess I'm going to announce like the new moderator before Christmas, just for all you to be aware of that. The other thing is that we are planning to release the next community pulse, the one for Q4 next week. So, well, as last time, we will share all the links. We will push everyone to participate on that because last round is what it was really interesting. All the information that we gathered from there. So that was basically our starting point for building a baseline. Now we're like on a second stage, and yeah, it's really important for all of you and for all the environment, for all the ecosystem uh, to participate on that. The other thing is that we're basically moving forward now that the pitch proposal for the support team for SDK 7 migration has passed. We're going to put together a tender proposal. So for the ones that do not know what I'm talking about, I'm going to share the link to that draft that we're working with other community members. And it's basically to create a team funded by the DAO to support all creators and all developers to migrate their scenes to from SDK 6 to SDK 7. It's really important also like to have community participation on this, to have community feedback on this, because the writing of the pitch proposal maybe wasn't the best way to present it. That's the feedback I received, but yeah, we're pretty much all aligned that this has to happen. So please be my guest and share some feedback in the document. Tomorrow we also have the DAO Foundation Synergy Open Session. So I think you all know about that. Again, invite you all to participate to that. I'm building an agenda. I'm mostly being involved as a moderator. I'm also going to share my thoughts, but yeah, I'm trying to guide the conversations with two or three sections about what we've been discussing these couple of weeks about the relationship between the foundation and the DAO. But yeah, again, it will be an open space, and anyone can join, and anyone can say whatever uh, whatever you want. So yeah, please join. It's a really important meeting. It's a really important session for the community. And yeah, the idea is to create some kind of document or something after that, as the summaries that we put together after the strategic planning session or other open sessions, and to yeah to send it to the foundation. Uh, Two more things, and I will shut up. uh, well, last event that we're going to have this year, it's going to be the 10th strategic planning session. It's going to happen on Friday 22nd. So again, it's also important because it's going to be the last strategic planning session this year. We are going to try to wrap up things. Lorelike is going to tell you more about what are our intentions for next section and the documents that we're going to share with the community in a few days. But yeah, the event is already created, I believe, in the no, not in the Discord, but in the Google Calendar. But I'm going to create the event in the Discord in a few hours. And last but not least, remember that the submissions period for the DAO headquarters is closing in 2 weeks. So if you're a creator, you're part of a studio, or you're just a person interested in presenting a project for the DAO headquarters in Genesis City, present a bid. You have 17 more days, like kind of 2 weeks and a couple of more days. So, yep, again, you're all invited to participate on that, and it's really important. Like to for everyone to be aware of this because this is something huge. This is going to set a precedent in the whole metaverse. And that's all for Facilitation Squad updates. I know if I'm missing something. If I'm missing something, I will share it later. I believe we can jump into strategic unit updates. So I'll pass it to Lorlike. Thanks a lot.
Hi, folks. So we conducted nine strategic planning session with Fence and made with him a presentation on incentive, reward, and reputation. If you missed it, take a look, please. I will send it now in chat. Also, we are wrapping up with strategic document, DAO manifesto, and we will share it next week. Yeah. Also, I'm wrapping up summary for first round survey of in working group safeguarding measures for grants program and finishing up with second and third round of survey. So also I'm planning to publish it next week. What say more? I'm analyzing Roblox now and making up report on it so that we can brainstorm what we can emphasize from one of the key players. That's all. Thank you for attention.
Thanks, Lorlike. And yeah, if you, sorry, you were going to say something, Fifi?
No.
Oh, sorry. No, just wanted to highlight what Lorlike just mentioned about the strategic planning document. This is basically what we wanted to do this whole time. All those sessions that we had, all those brainstormings, all those boards that we filled, all those participative meetings that we had are going to be condensated, are going to be consolidated in one unified document. And what we want to do is to share it with the community, have your feedback, and start working on that document as something concrete. And this is probably also going to set a precedent as one of the first collaborative strategic planning documents that the DAO has made. So again, I know I already said this a couple of times this session, but it's also really important that you all participate, give us your feedback, because all this was based on our discussions. All is recorded on YouTube and in the summaries. But if there's something that we're missing, or if there's something that we're proposing that it's not aligned with the community or the things that we actually discussed, please give us feedback. And with that said, as usual, last but not least, we have the Grant Support Squad updates. So I'll pass it to Fifi.
Hello, everyone. Thank you, Faz. So today is going to be quick. We have a lot of grantees to show, so I wanted to spend more time with them. But in our news, first of all, I have to say that thank you very much for those who voted and create a positive conversation on our proposal. We have passed it, so we're going to be here with you for the next 5 months. We are super happy with that, although we have to do some adjustment since we lowered the budget and we cut down some aims, but we are super focused on continue giving you a quality support. So we are on that. Soon we are going to post our new roadmap for the whole community to see and to be in touch. So, as you know, we were working on apply agile methodologies in our team. So we are working on that super hard to create a best way to tackle more grantees and more projects to improve the grants support program. So today also was the last testing Tuesday. Whoa. November and December was super busy with Testing Tuesday. I want to thank everyone that joins. We have 40 sessions this year and a lot more to come. We are going to restart that on the second week of January. Just I will let you know a couple of days before, and I will send you invite. We have some surprise and new things to have it there. Also, we're going to send a last swags to some grantees in Europe and Latin America. For those who hasn't complete the information on time, we're going to try to make one more deliver next year. And also we are working on some improvements on our official webpage of the Grant Support Squad. Okay, so that's it from my side, from our side. So I wanna share with you 3 amazing grantees. Let me know if you can hear it. So let's go there. Okay, you are seeing Twitter. The first one is going to be Shelly Bands with True Bands. So let's hear about her music festival. I will mute myself and we can start. Okay, I have cut it the first video, so I will put it again. Okay, I love a Stony t-shirt. That was amazing. So Shelly Vance is here. You can ask a question or congratulate her and her team, or you can continue like having a discussion in her channel. Yeah, we have to do something with that shirt. I think everybody wants it. Pablo did an amazing job with that shirt. Okay, so let's move on to our next grantee for today. This is Marina Po from DAO Visual. So she requests a grant for create some visual for the DAO. So we are working on the last steps of this work. She cannot make it because it's so late where she is now. But okay, let's check.
Hello, today I want to present the project I've been working for the last 4 months, designing visual content for DAO documentation. The goals of the project were enhancing accessibility, improving understanding of DAO documentation, which obviously support educational initiatives, and creation of some brand-themed content, as right now at the moment we don't really have that much of a content when it comes to DAO documentation. So a problem is that this project hopefully solve its complexity barrier and lack of diverse learning resources, because some people are more visual, and I hope that my illustration actually help to understand the parts of documentation of DAO. So the benefits to the Decentraland platform are increased community engagement, strengthened governance, and obviously boosting educational outreach. So the project took 4 months and consisted of 3 phases. First one was ideation phase, where I created the list of illustrations, and after confirmation, I obviously started designing it. And right now we are in delivery phase, where all the files are basically getting saved in the agreed places. So designing phase took the longest. I created 50 illustrations using Photoshop and Illustrator. So all illustrations are about 3 parts of documentation. It's DAO overview, it's a grant information, and DAO user guide. As you could see, all illustrations are created with brand guidelines in mind. So all the fonts and colors are matching brand guidelines. So every single illustration created in 2 variations. One is on the background and one is on transparent background. That helps to use this illustration as by itself or as a part of other educational or informational project. So that's why all the files are going to be saved in 2 different ways. So first one, all the PSD and all the AI files will be found at the OSM repository, and the project roadmap with the information about every single illustration can be found in Notion. So all the files are obviously ready to be changed and transformed based on the future need. And obviously, if you have any questions, you can also reach me on Discord or email. My contacts are here. And thank you so much for this amazing opportunity. And I really hope to work with you again in future. And thank you so much for your attention. And have a good day. Thank you.
Okay, that was Marina. She's soon to deliver the image. We are working with the collaboration with all the core units to approve and to we help her guide the illustration. So, okay, next grantee is Crossbear. Okay, that was amazing. Crossbear, if you want to continue having it, you can do it through their Discord channel. So that's it from our side. Thank you, everyone, for this amazing year. Hope to see you next year. I don't know if someone have a question or something to say. I will be here. Thank you, Faz.
Thanks, Fifi. And well, as Fifi said, this is coming to a close, so we're going to start our open forum section, and after that, yeah, let's say goodbye, everyone, and happy holidays. But yeah, let's inaugurate the open forum. I know that Punk Pink uh, wanted to share some stuff with you, so I'm inviting him to the stage.
Hello there.
Yep,
Can you hear me? Can you
perfect.
hear me?
Yep, perfect.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. I'm Pamping. I'm the senior of wearables, and I have a proposal to make to town hall today. Um, mm, as you may have seen, I have been putting very basic proposals in the DAO. Things like change. Sorry. My English is little. I'm learning English. I'm some difficult. I have putting proposals that are basic. Like I see some error in the Decentraland, and I put a very little proposal like allow um, sorry, one sec. Um, I believe that in the Central platform there are a little errors, but there are many. But I think that if we put a lot of proposals of little things, we can make a big changes in platform. I'm thinking some example. For example, the marketplace in section of wearables, there are no button of see in world. This is a little change that if we can make these little changes, we can improve a lot of this platform, making more attractive to another people. And I want to ask how many proposals of this I can make to the DAO, because I don't want monopolies all DAO with these little changes or little proposals. I don't know which is the limit of put proposals in DAO for this objective. I don't know if I explain me well. Um, you are you are understand me, community? Yes, Fifi. Yes. Okay. Um, um, can you? I can put proposals. 10 proposals at. No. I know that this is not logical. Put infinite proposals because people is not time to vote all them. Okay. But I think that if I have because I have time, I like the central and it's not matter for me put proposals of this type. I would like put proposals of these little things, maybe like example, can I put 10 proposals at the same time is because at the same time, I mean that when you put a proposal, there are pull 5 days, later draft 7 days, and later governance 14 days. Okay, in 1 month, I can put 10 proposals of this, or is this too much? Can you answer me?
Sure. I mean, I can take it if you want. So you can put as many proposals as you want. I mean,
Yes.
it's up to you.
You know,
Sorry, I muted him because of the like the.
Yeah, there is some echo.
Yeah. He was with the mic open, so not anymore.
Okay. Oh, I still hear some echo. Yes, I mean, totally. You can. It is. Oh, maybe pumping. Yeah, you are the one who's having the echo. Can you mute?
can you? Sorry, I don't understand you. Um, if you can you repeat, please?
Hola, José. ¿Podría para que Gino pueda hablar porque está haciendo un eco? Si muteas tu micrófono, te puede contestar.
Sí, me estás escuchando. Es que igualmente no sé si estoy escuchando muy bien.
I will mute you. Te voy a mutear y cuando Gino termine de hablar, te vuelvo a desmutear.
Okay.
Go ahead, Gino.
Thank you. Okay, great. What I was saying is you can post as many proposals as you want. But something important to mention is that so governance proposals, like the governance flow, the 3-stage governance flow that the DAO has, it's basically to propose changes to the govern. I will speak in Spanish later. I'm from Argentina, so I will translate to you. So basically, the 3-stage governance proposals are the mechanism that the DAO has to modify the rules of the DAO and to make changes on the assets of the Decentraland project that the DAO owns. So basically, any smart contract or protocol changes need to go through the DAO, and the changes are mandatory once they are voted. But for things that are part of like the application ecosystem of the DAO, the project, Decentraland, that it's maintained from the foundation, even though if you want to post the governance proposals, that's fine. My recommendation is to go through the formal feedback process, which is publishing the suggestions in Kani. Why? Because product teams at the foundation side look at Kani often, provide comments, and use that to inform their roadmaps. So that's it. Now, sorry, English speakers, I will do this in Spanish so Pangping can understand easily. Decía que podés postear absolutamente todas las propuestas que quieras, eso no es un problema, pero que el proceso de gobernanza, el proceso de 3 pasos de gobernanza de la DAO, en realidad es un proceso que está armado para modificar las reglas de gobernanza de la DAO misma y para modificar, digamos, los assets, digamos, los elementos del ecosistema de Decentraland que son controlados por la DAO. Eso es los smart contracts digamos, y cualquier cosa que sea a nivel protocolo. Por ahí el feedback de agregar un botón o cambiar una cosa en una interfaz, es mucho mejor hacerlo a través de Kani, que es una herramienta de user feedback que varias partes del ecosistema usan, porque esa es la manera en la que llega más rápido a los equipos de ingeniería y de producto de Foundation, que son los que mantienen muchas de las aplicaciones. El Marketplace, el Builder, el Explorer y todo eso. Si querés, digamos, publicar las proposals en la DAO para que tengan, para tener community signaling y demás, está bien y podés hacerlo, no va en contra de las reglas, pero lo cierto es que Kani es una manera mucho más directa y mucho más rápida porque no tenés que pasar por 3 pasos de gobernanza para que una propuesta sea aprobada, sino que la pones ahí en Kani y los equipos de ingeniería y de producto de Foundation ven eso regularmente. No, it's feedback.
You are unmuted again, Pumping. You can talk again. You can talk in Spanish if you want, and we can translate.
Ok, bueno, gracias a todos por escucharme y por aclararme esta duda bueno, ya lo había hablado con Fed alguna vez, pero sí, sin embargo, no, a veces no voy únicamente a poner cosas de un botón. Quizá veo algún pequeño matiz que quizá crea que se pueda modificar y quizá no tenga relación con la parte técnica de la plataforma, por ejemplo. Entonces, bueno, estoy así, que no acabo de aún comprender muy bien lo que es CAN y lo que tal, él lo sabe, pero bueno, él ya me aclara muy bien las dudas. Básicamente quería proponer esto para exponer esto, porque veo muchos pequeños fallitos en Decentraland, no grandes, pero son muchos. Entonces, claro, el proceso de publicar solo 3 propuestas a la vez, pues ralentiza mucho esto. Pero bueno, evidentemente estas cosas también las pongo en Cani. En principio creo que no tengo nada más que decir, solo quería comentar eso.
Gracias,
Sí,
Pumping. Y I'm going
si
to.
puedes traducirlo un poquito.
Yeah, yeah.
Vale, vale, gracias.
Sí, voy a traducir un poco lo que dijiste. He basically said that he noticed like some things that could be fixed in the central platform and with the smart contracts. Not only small things, but that he has noticed other stuff that it's important the community to be aware of that. So he does present, he does submit requests on Canny, but at the same time he wants to create awareness with the governance proposals. So now that he has a more clear view on what Canny is, he will keep doing that. But at the same time, he wants to keep presenting proposals for creating awareness. That's kind of the thing that he said. But yeah, thanks a lot, Pangping, for bringing that. We all know that you've been like working a lot, putting a lot of effort for creating awareness about some things that could be fixed easily. But yeah, just wanted to reinforce the idea that if you want to go directly to the foundation, to the technical teams, to the product teams, uh, Canny is the best way to do it. So yeah, if you want to create awareness, you can still create proposals. No one's going to tell you that to stop creating proposals. Nadie te va a decir que dejes de crear propuestas. Nadie. But the best way to do this is with Kenny. So thanks a lot for bringing that. Gracias, Pangping. And well, we're still on the open forum section. So if anyone else wants to share some comments, thoughts, insights, this is the moment. Remember that this will be our last town hall this year. We're going to meet again by mid-January, I believe. I have to check. But yeah, um, anyone? Okay, so thanks everyone for joining. Remember that tomorrow we have the Marketing 101 workshop, and then we have the DAO Foundation Synergy open session. And if we don't see each other again, if we don't talk again, have nice holidays. Spend time with your families, with your friends. We all need that. so, so yeah, thanks a lot for joining. And yep, let's keep in touch, and we'll keep you posted about updates. Bye bye.
Bye, folks.